Most people would throw these denim waistbands away, but I saw a bag. Hopefully it turns out as good as it looks in my head.
Hi, I'm Ravi, a self-taught fashion designer, learning as I go. Welcome back to my channel. Let's get sewing.
The idea for these denim waistbands is to turn them into a bucket bag, tote bag type of bag. So we're just gonna be stacking the waistbands on top of each other until we have something that I like. So I cut two pieces of this tissue fabric that I had laying around to use as my canvas for the bag. One piece is for the front and one piece is for the back, and now we're just gonna try and figure out how I want to stack these denim waistbands. I want the height for the bag to be about 11 to 12 inches, and then we're gonna start pinning the belts onto the canvas piece, leaving a bit of seam allowance at the bottom of our piece. Okay, I've come to realize that this fabric is a bit too light to hold the weight of the waistbands, so we're gonna have to use something with a little bit more structure to support everything. And now I'm kind of thinking this would eat as a skirt too, but let's stick to the plan. So I cut it out two polycotton pieces because they do hold a bit of structure, and just pinned the waistbands back on, and now we're gonna start stitching them in place. I went ahead and added my label, so now we have our front piece and our back piece all done, and then we're gonna add our base piece. Before we do that, let's start with the lining to just make sure that what I'm thinking in my head is gonna work out. It's better to risk it on the lining. So we're gonna take our two pieces of lining and sew them on the sides. I've decided to add a little pocket as well, so we're gonna do that. I am so obsessed with this polycotton. This pink color is so beautiful, and I love how the pocket is looking. Now we're just gonna go ahead and press down our side seams and then get started with connecting our base to the lining piece. Taking the base, we're gonna mark out the midpoints on the shorter sides of the base. Is that the width? Yeah, that should be the width of the base. And then we're gonna align them with the side seams of our main lining, and then we're just gonna pin that in place. So our base is a rectangle, and then the rest of our lining is kind of circular, so we are just going to pin it around the base to follow the square shape, if that makes any sense. If you did it correctly, it should be looking like this, and we're just gonna go ahead and stitch all that down. Now getting back to the main bag, we're gonna have them right sides touching and sew the sides just like we did with the lining. Before it winds down into the memories, it's all just memories now. And also attaching our base exactly the same way we did with the lining. Now we're gonna go ahead and drop our lining inside the bag. So the lining should be the wrong side out and the bag should be the right side out. I went ahead and pressed the top part of my bag, and I also did the same to the lining, making it the same height as my bag. So here you can cut off the excess if you prefer to. Now I've pinned the lining and the bag together, ready for the top stitching. We're gonna add these rings on the sides of the bags where we're gonna be attaching our bag strap. So I want the strap to be either a shoulder or to also be a crossbody type strap. Like, you can adjust it to be that. So we're just gonna make little straps, put our ring in, and then insert that between our lining and our bag, and then sew around it. I also went ahead and added this snap button. Originally I wanted to add a magnet, but then I forgot and was already halfway through the project, so I couldn't add the magnet. So this is how the strip turned out. I just took one of the waistbands and then attached these little hookies on the sides of it. So if you want it to be crossbody or a longer strap, you can just hook the hooks onto the ring, and then if you want it to be shorter strap, you can just tie them. And this is how the bag turned out. Let's style it a little bit.